Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Apoorva and I make DIY fashion and lifestyle videos every week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you won't miss out on new videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a hand-painted organza dupatta. Even if you're a beginner, you don't have to worry because I'll be showing a very simple technique which you can do. You can do the same technique on dupatta, sari, kurti and anything you want. So let's get into the video. Materials needed for doing this beautiful hand-painted organza dupatta are silk organza fabric. I'm using 2.5 meters of fabric with 45 width. Embroidery hoop. The bigger the hoop, the better it is to paint. Synthetic brushes. I'm using the brushes of size 10 and size 2. And then you will need fabric paint. I'm using pink color, green color and white color. And then you would need a palette. Since I'm at home, I'm using a plate. So anything that can hold water is fine. First plan what design you want to do and then plan the alignment of the design on the dupatta. This is how I'll be doing mine. I'll be doing continuous design on the edges of the dupatta and some random flowers all over the body of the dupatta. Don't worry if you're new to fabric painting because even I am doing this for the first time and it turned out great if I say so myself. So just do a sample painting on a separate fabric to see how it will come. Trust me, my first attempt wasn't great. This is how mine turned out and it was pathetic. But I tried again on a new sample fabric and it turned out great. So don't worry if you're new. And also start watching a new series while painting because trust me, after 3 flowers you're gonna lose that interest and you will be bored as fruit. One more thing you need to keep in mind is not to finish the edges before painting because if you do the finishing or basically the stitches on the edges, it will be difficult for you to fit in the frame. Fit the frame in such a way that you leave at least 1 inch on the edges of the dupatta for the finishing. Keep the smaller ring below the fabric and then fix the bigger one above it and tighten the screw. Take any color of paint that you want and mix little bit of thinner or water so that the paint won't make the fabric stiff or thick. Now the fun part begins. This is a very easy technique that I'm showing. Once the flower is done, highlight it with direct paint and white color. Once that's done, let it dry and then only paint the leaves. Once the 3 flowers on the corner are done, I'll continue doing the painting on both the sides. Once that's done, I'll paint flowers randomly on the body of the dupatta. make sure you finish off the edges and iron the fabric on reverse after 24 hours. And that's it. It's ready to wear. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.